Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Marigold Phase 2 located off NH7 near Dodaballapur Road in North Bangalore. Offering spacious villa plots, peaceful surrounding and excellent connectivity, this premium plotted development is designed for those who want to build their own dream luxury home. So in this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, payment plans, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Prestige Marigold Phase 2 is a premium plotted development by Prestige Group located off NH7 near Dodaballapur Road in North Bangalore. Spread across approximately 55 acres, the project features 716 exclusive villa plots with plot sizes ranging from around 1900 to 4200 square feet. The development is thoughtfully planned with spacious layout and a premium community environment, giving homeowners the flexibility to design and build their villas according to their lifestyle and preferences. With peaceful surrounding, good connectivity, and the trusted legacy of Prestige Group, Prestige Marigold Phase 2 can be an attractive option for both end users and long-term investors. Talking about the location and connectivity, so this project enjoys strategic connectivity to key destinations across North Bangalore. Kempegowda International Airport is approximately 30 minutes away, while Devanahalli Business Park is also around 30 minutes from the project. Yelahanka is approximately 30 minutes away, while Hebbal and Manyata Tech Park are around 45 minutes away. Bangalore city centre is approximately 60 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so Prestige Marigold Phase 2 offers a thoughtfully planned range of amenities focused on recreation, wellness, and community living. Residents can enjoy a clubhouse, landscape garden, swimming pool, jogging track, and a dedicated kids play area. These amenities are designed to create an active, comfortable, and well-balanced lifestyle within the community. And talking about the plot configuration and pricing, so Prestige Marigold Phase 2 offers luxury villa plots ranging from 1900 to 4200 square feet with prices starting at around 1.57 crore rupees onwards. The spacious plot dimensions give buyers the flexibility to design and build their dream villa according to their lifestyle and own requirement. And now let's take a look at the booking and payment plan. So the payment structure includes 10% payable at the time of booking, another 20% within 60 days, and the remaining 70% payable upon intimation of possession. Talking about the possession, so the expected possession is November 2027, and Prestige Marigold Phase 2 offers a premium plotted living experience in North Bangalore with spacious villa plots, peaceful surrounding, lifestyle amenities, and excellent connectivity. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.